In this video, we're going to take a look at the rapid quote system built into wp2print. In particular, we're going to take a look at how your customer can use your website to automatically and very quickly generate a price quotation for how much it will cost to print a batch of files that he has just received. So your customer has just received a batch of files from an architect or an engineer. He doesn't know much about those files, how large they are, or how many pages are inside. But he needs to understand how much it will cost for you to print those for him. In the past, the only option the customer would have had would be to send the files to you and wait for you to analyze them and send back a price quotation. Now, with wp2print and the rapid quote system, the customer can do all this in a self-service way. The customer will come to your website and find the inkjet printing product you have put into place. Here, the customer can start the process by entering a project name. Here we can see a box where the customer can simply drag and drop the files. And now, the rapid quote system is opening up each of the files and analyzing the contents to then calculate a price quote. Here the analysis is done. The customer can actually click on this page detail button and see the details if he's interested. As you can see, there were 5 documents in a batch. Each one in this case contained only one page, but the first document contained 100% ink coverage and was 14 square feet. And you're charging $1.40 per square foot for the printing, and so on for the rest of the pages in the batch. The customer can then see the total price that you're offering, which is in this case $57. If he's happy with that price, he can simply hit the button Add to Cart, and the files are now being transferred up to you. Once the file transfer process is complete, the customer is now in the shopping cart area of your site. He can see the 5 files that he has uploaded. He can see the product type, AEC inkjet prints, total area, pages, and etc. And of course, the price. From this point onwards, it's a very simple and traditional checkout process. The customer can then choose a shipping method, and the system will automatically add the sales taxes, and then calculate a total price for the job, in this case $72. When the customer is ready to check out, he can simply click on the Proceed to Checkout button, bringing him to the last step of the process, which is to enter his credit card details and pay. Now, from the customer's perspective, the purchase process is complete, and here's a nice confirmation page with all the details for the order. When the order comes in, you as the print shop administrator will get an email telling you that you just got an order, and you as the administrator can open up the back end, take a look at your orders, and see the most recently arrived order, which is 653, and see all the information about the order. Here you have the links to download each of the files the customer has uploaded as part of his batch. And of course, you have this complete analysis of what was inside the batch. To conclude, the rapid quote system makes it extremely quick and simple for your customers to use your website as a do-it-yourself system to get a quotation on printing a batch of plans that he has received from an architect or an engineer. And most importantly, in a way that doesn't take up any of your time to analyze this whole batch of documents.